Hello, friends. My name is Victor Osorio. I study Industrial Engineering at UNAD. In this video, I will talk about my travel guide of Bucaramanga. Bucaramanga is a municipality in Colombia, capital of Departmente Santander. It is located in the northeast of the country. It is characterized by its friendly and hardworking people. In Bucaramanga, you can visit the shopping center and its beautiful park. It is also surrounded by other municipalities, Chuc, and Florida Blanca, Piedecuesta, Girón, Los Santos, among others that are interesting tourist cities, where you can fish, ride, and TV, Royal Cable Car, Free Paragliding, among many more options. Travel tips and superstitions. You should take in account when traveling to Bucaramanga. You must be very aware of your belongings. You must not travel with a luggage. You don't have to walk in dark and lonely place. You must take courteous and kind to people to receive a current reference. If you believe in superstitions in Bucaramanga, there is great omen to moon and these changing states. You should not cut your ear, do not plating, cut trees, among others. Also, if you are passionate about gastronomy, if believe they some very appropriate big stage and will help you can fertile to go and where to stay. Bucaramanga is creative with having a very stay climate. For this reason, you can visit and eat an 18 of a year. To stay, you can find in Bucaramanga different types of hotel and units, a smart cabin on the out in the old city. What to eat and what to drink? Bucaramanga has is a great gastronomic variety among these typical dishes the feeds, the Mutu Santander, the chick with pepitoria, the Columna Sans, Teoria Meats, the Arep of Chocolo. Among these typical drink, we find the famous guarapo, the chicha de maíz of Coroz, the panela lemons, and the factory soft drink for the region. Means of transport, language, currency. As means of transport to get Bucaramanga, you can use a bus or planes. To move around the city, you can taxi on or motorcyclettes. In Bucaramanga, the preferred language is Spanish and is still spoken a bit slowly. The legal currency in Colombia is peso, and according to service providers, is generally customary to tip the waiters. From the region, you are visit Bucaramanga. We are waiting for you.